Most creators don't know which payment processors they can actually trust long term. Let's look at what the industry says. It's one thing for a company to market itself, but when outside sources recognize it, that's real proof. Merchant Maverick is known for its tough, in depth reviews of payment processors. Their coverage shows how EasyPay Direct stacks up against big players. And the Inc. 5000, that is an official ranking of the fastest growing private companies in America, showing EasyPay Direct has both stability and momentum behind it. Beyond the recognition, EasyPay Direct protects your revenue with upfront underwriting, recurring billing for subscriptions, and transaction routing for higher volume. And with their white glove support, you always have a dedicated contact if anything comes up. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out if you want to work with a payment processor backed by independent reviews and proven growth. Don't gamble with your payments. Choose the processor with industry recognition and long term reliability. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to set up your EasyPay Direct account today.